Step 1. First, take 4 equal square sheets of paper in blue, yellow, green, and red. Because if the papers aren't the same size, this craft is going to have more problems than your relationship. Step 2. Now fold each paper back and forth to create neat accordion folds. Basically, we're making a paper fan, except this one won't cool you down. Step 3. Next, fold each accordion strip in half to create a neat fan shape. Take your time here. One wrong fold and suddenly your beautiful craft needs therapy. Step 4. Now join the 4 fan pieces together to create one colorful circle. Blue, yellow, green, and red. Honestly, this is more colorful than most relationships. Step 5. Apply a little glue to the center and secure all 4 pieces together. Just don't use too much glue, unless you want your table becoming part of the decoration. Step 6. Now add a small pink paper flower to the center to hide the joint. And if your girlfriend's mom is mad at you, maybe give her the flower too. Step 7. Next, prepare several equal lengths of string for the hanging decorations. Keep them even, because at least your wall hanging should have some balance. Step 8. Now attach a small, colorful paper decoration to the end of each string. Get creative, but maybe don't get so creative that nobody knows what it is. Step 9. Attach the decorated strings evenly along the bottom of the paper circle. Keep everything balanced, because if your relationship has no balance, your wall hanging should. Step 10. Finally, straighten everything out and give your wall hanging a clean finish. And if your girlfriend's mom is still mad, buddy, I think we have a bigger problem than this craft. Save this idea for later. You never know when you'll need a handmade piece offering.